We are looking at requirement engineering. So, requirement engineering is a brigade between design and construction. The requirement and task includes review, inspection, elicitation, negotiation, specification, validation, management. Requirement specify what this is, specify the what of a system, not the how of the system. Requirement provide requirement engineering. Includes the following steps: identify documentation of customer and user need, creation of a document describing external behavior, analysis, validation of requirement. Requirement specification can be done in form of document, graphical, or product component of these. Required when are these required? Misinterpret our source of required, identify as the final state. Requirement management. Brigade of design and construction. Final goal is to create some kind of documentation. The design is given to manufacture them. This is a set of different set of skills for those design table. The design document represent the complete manufacturing team can proceed to build the product. In fact, they can proceed to build much of the product out for the assistance from the design during the software. Requirement engineering task. The process of RE varies depending on application, domain, inception, requirement assessment, negotiation, requirement and inspection, verification, comprehension, traceability, adaptability. So this is a check are requirement realistic and relevant. Then we have elicitation about domain and elicitation analysis. So elicitation process would be process entry, understanding, collection, classification, prioritization. Then we have type of review, data source, reference framework, methodology of RE, ROS, structured analysis, um, bullet process, knowledge acquisition, sharing, requirement engineering. Let's look at one of them to get understanding of where we are going. So let me open one of them. So I'll start with raw structured analysis. I think it's a type of viewpoint data source of string representative. Let's look at what raw structure analysis means. So SAD is structural modeling language, two types. I have the structure analysis design techniques. Structure is a system engineering and software method describes system as a hierarchy of function. So structure analysis design techniques, which types of activity model and data model. It was developed since the late 90s by Tagore formulation in 1981. Structure design analysis diagrammatic designs will describe understanding system. It offers block to represent entity semantics. SADT developed in the field during 1900s. Methodology was used in MIT automation programming to research and certain by Air Force integrated computer manufacturing. We have diagram of that SADT. The broad diagram is control, input, mechanism, output, and function. This is a basic element. So it's a system. Okay. Then you have volley requirement process, knowledge acquisition and sharing, requirement engineering, software implementation, and so on. Then you have scenario based requirement engineering, marker development, rapid construction, operator specification, UML use case and sequence diagram. UML is seen more often. Then you have focused ethnography, requirement negotiation, requirement specification, requirement validation, requirement management. That was it. Little easier chapter is the boring one. So requirement is includes feasibility, elicitation, specification, management, requirement, iterative process, involved domain understanding, requirement classification, multi-stakeholder. Requirement is concerned about checking validity, considering completeness, business, and technical. Knowledge acquisition and sharing quite of requirement, engineering, structure analysis, scenario based requirement viewpoint. So those are them. So that was about requirement engineering.